Didn't go?
Didn't go.
Oh.
Sit with that. What's here? Oh, a little goat. Lollipop. A caddy racer. Oh, cool, that's it. Let me show you really cool that's in here. And that's really cool.
More?
Yeah. Okay, now this is the tough cookie.
Well, just, you gotta
Well,
try
I
it. Maybe.
definitely need your help.
Okay, just put it on the side and then I open, okay?
Move on. Candy.
Yum.
Pirate. Oh,
Ooh,
I had this
yeah.
for my birthday.
Yes.
Let's
Almost 60 votes. Mm-hmm.
cool. Let me show you what it does.
Okay. Oh, I see.
It's a dreidel.
Right.